Alright. I hate heights, but I'm gonna do this just for y'all. Don't laugh too hard. World's largest mailbox, which is also scary as fuck to me. Let's see how it goes. Last time I went up it scared the crap out of me. Alright. Oh, here we go. Oh, why the hell do they have to make the floor see-through? Oh, goddamn, this is what I'm looking at. Oh. Okay. Whew. Oh, fucking hell. Oh, why is this motherfucker creak? Alright. Can actually feel the motherfucker moving. Yeah, it is swaying left to right. Like you can actually see it. This motherfucker is swaying while I'm up in here. Why the fuck is there bricks here? That's my bike over there. Yeah. I'm fucking scared. Fuck this. I don't like this. I'm going down. Why is there bricks up here? Fuck this. Oh god. This motherfucker is swaying. I swear if it starts to fall, I'm gonna fucking die. I will fucking jump out. Oh, why is this motherfucker swaying so much? Oh, look at the wind. Whew. Oh, real nice. Somebody put a cigarette out on it. Figures. Fucking kill me. That motherfucker is swaying. Let's see. It's the underside of it. Oh, fucking hell. I should have worn a coat. It's like cold. Oh, I am fucking petrified of heights. Fat people like me shouldn't get off the ground. I don't try to. Oh my god. Alright. See, this bird cage you can get inside. You can get up here and like you can swing on this. Oh man, my damn heart is racing. Alright, now let's head down the road. A little bit of WD-40 on the door you need. Alright. Now these two ain't so scary. I know, bicycle riding on the sidewalk. This is the barber shop. Just Paul's Grooming. Then the world's largest knitting needles is right there. And then just a little bit down the road is the world's largest rocking chair and wind chimes. That used to be Arnott's. Now it's a great house of country. Back on the rag. Fuck. That's City Hall right there. In the back is the police station. I gotta park my bike out in the road, or else it'll roll around off the sidewalk. So I'm gonna park it over here so you can just see a backup view of it. Okay. See? Oh, it's fucking cold. And then, like, you can go around this fence right here. Don't go over it. Now we're gonna go over here and ring this motherfucker. God damn, my heart is still racing from that fucking thing. See? Pretty cool. I wouldn't want the motherfucker to follow me. Alright, here is the world's largest golf tee. This motherfucker is huge. We're gonna walk down there, hold on. Here it is. There we are. The world's largest golf tee. In my hometown of Casey, Illinois. Damn, that thing. Holy shit. I didn't realize how huge it was. Like, wow. I mean, like, two of me would fit up just up to this black thing. But damn. It's crazy. World's largest pitchfork. Or dingle hopper, as that one person called it. Look at that. Damn. I mean, look at this. Okay. This is my hand. This motherfucker's huge. It says something on the side. I didn't do too bad of a job. Oh, you can become the old hillbillies. Look at that motherfucker way up there. Oh, you can even become a pig and a sheep. But, damn. That's pretty cool.